Contaminants. In this chapter, you will learn about types of contaminants and why they are removed, and how contaminants are removed. Types of contamination and why they are removed. When wheat is harvested, it is impossible to avoid collecting a small amount of undesirable material with the wheat. Any undesirable material present in a consignment of wheat is considered to be a contaminant. Contaminants may also be picked up after harvesting, during transport and in storage. Some contamination may even occur in the flour mill. There are many types of contaminants, including defective wheat kernels, unwanted parts of the wheat plant, unwanted plants and seeds, and any non-plant contaminants. Defective wheat kernels include broken, undersized and discoloured kernels. Broken and undersized kernels may increase ash content in the flour. Diseased kernels may introduce microbes and toxins into the flour. Discoloured kernels may introduce dark-coloured specks into the flour. Unwanted parts of the wheat plant, like the straw or chaff, and the brush or beard of the kernel must be removed. The brush is a small collection of hairs that grow on the ends of the kernels. These are unacceptable in the flour. Any dirt or dead or diseased material adhering to the surface of the kernel must be removed, as it may contain microbes or fungi. Any wheat dust present must be removed, as it not only contaminates the flour, but can result in safety issues such as respiratory difficulties for staff and explosion risks. Any plant or seed material that is not a wheat kernel is an unwanted contaminant. This material can come from other crops previously grown in the field or from accidental mixing during the harvest and delivery process. Examples include other crops such as barley or canola, or field weeds such as black oats. These contaminants may introduce toxins, dark specks, and unpleasant tastes into the flour. Non-plant material includes contaminants like soil or insects from the field, or metal contamination from machinery. Metal contamination is an unacceptable contaminant in flour. It can also damage machinery and create sparks which may lead to fires or dust explosions. How contaminants are removed. Contaminants will differ from wheat in various ways. These differences include size, shape, density, magnetism and colour. The wheat cleaning equipment takes advantage of these differences to separate the contaminants from the wheat. For example, wheat is different to ferrous material in that it is not magnetic, so magnets can separate out any ferrous materials present. Materials that differ to wheat in size or shape, such as broken kernels or black oats, can be separated using screens or pockets. Machines that separate by size include milling separators, indent cylinders, and disc separators. Materials that differ in density to wheat, such as stones or chaff, can be separated using air currents that stratify or lift lighter particles from heavier particles. Machines that use density include aspirators, destoners, concentrators and gravity selectors. Some machines, such as scourers, use friction to abrade the outer surface of the grain to remove the softer contaminants adhering to the surface, such as dead bran and dirt. Other machines, such as colour sorters, use software to analyse the colour of each individual grain and pick out the kernels that are outside the acceptable range, for example, diseased or burnt grains. The combined effect of all this machinery is very clean and hygienic wheat, but only if the machinery is used properly. The remaining chapters will explain how particular wheat cleaning machines work and how they should be set up and maintained.